Would you like to buy some cupcakes? $1.
No. Go away, you nasty subway rat. Oh my god, you smell like shit.
Please sir. My children are starving. I need money.
No. You menace to society. Oh my god. You're poor, smelly, and a crybaby. Just what I want to see on a Monday morning.
I love you.
What? You're crazy.
I must have you. I'm sorry. I think it's the crack.
Stop talking to me. Before I call the cops.
Looking sexy.
What?
Want some crack?
Yes. Just kidding, you're a freak. You look like the Smurfs cook reject.
Apple pie, cream sugar, or death?
What are you talking about?
It's how us Smurfs make our crack cupcakes. I mean cupcakes.
I will take 2 please.